South Africa is facing major retrenchment bloodbath, with several major companies retrenching employees or entering into liquidation. These developments have far-reaching consequences, not only for the economy, but also for thousands of individuals and families who now face financial uncertainty. The estimated number of people to be affected is more than 350,000. Companies planning retrenchments are AMSA. The winding down of the log steel operation will directly impact over 3,000 jobs, but could lead to a loss of over 100,000 jobs downstream. Ford South Africa plans to retrench 474 employees. Goodyear South Africa plans to retrench 900 employees. Glencore and Samaco plan to retrench 5,000 workers. Coca-Cola is planning to cut 680 jobs and shut down some plants in South Africa. SABC has announced plans to retrench up to 180 sales staff as part of restructuring process. Data released by Statistics South Africa quarterly labor force survey shows a staggering loss of 291,000 jobs across the country during the first quarter of 2025. This caused South Africa's official unemployment rate to rise to 32%. These companies are citing high cost of electricity and USA tariffs as the primary reason for their decisions. This means the government of national unity must urgently attend to high cost of electricity and also try by all means possible to negotiate favorable trade agreement with USA. The GNU must act with speed to resolve the situation. Otherwise, more South Africans will be plunged into poverty.